Hi everybody, Kevin McNamara here and welcome to another Heal Your Prostate video. On today's video I'm going to talk about how broccoli can help with your prostate. And this is the first, it's a very short video and it's the first in a series of videos where I talk about foods that are really healthy and can help your prostate. And if you're not taking them or eating them, you should be eating them now. So broccoli is a fantastic vegetable. It contains many complex compounds, phytonutrients, phytochemicals, and phyto, by the way, that just means plant. So if you ever hear the word phyto, like it's in phytochemicals, it just means plant chemicals. So that's something you've learned today. And those compounds may very well help protect people from cancer, and not just from prostate cancer, many other kinds of cancer as well. So there's lots of studies out there that do suggest there is a link between the amount of cruciferous vegetables you eat and your prostate cancer risk. Now, a compound known as sulforaphane, now that's found in vegetables like, in fact, all your leafy greens, your broccoli, your cauliflower, your kale, your Brussels sprouts, bok choy, those kinds of things. And it may very well be very useful in preventing or slowing down the actual prostate cancer. So sulforaphane, it selectively targets and it actually kills cancer cells, but it leaves all your healthy cells alone. So it's like having your own private army every time you eat some broccoli. They're going in there, they're fighting the cancer cells, and they're winning. Don't worry about that. As I say, there are other vegetables in this same family that have similar beneficial effects, and I've mentioned those. I'll go through them again. Cabbage, bok choy is great, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and of course the broccoli. And how do you eat that? If you don't like Brussels sprouts, what do? Well, have some of the other stuff. Have some bok choy, some kale, some cauliflower. But you can put broccoli in stir fries. You can put it in soups, in all these particular leafy greens into soups, stir fries, salads. Or you can just eat them on their own. Now, the first time I had broccoli just raw was disgusting. I bought it from a supermarket, and I could taste the chemicals in they sprayed over it in the actual broccoli. It was horrible and disgusting. But I learned since then, you either buy organic or you wash your fruit and veggies in apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar will get rid of all the chemicals. So you fill up your sink with nice clean water, make sure the sink's nice and clean, no soaps, suds and that kind of stuff. Make sure it's nice and clean. Add some nice fresh water. Put in your fruit and veggies and top it up with some apple cider vinegar. Leave it about 5 minutes, just swish it around a bit, and that gets rid of all the chemicals. So, like I say, very quick, short and sweet video today. There's more to come on the best foods for your prostate. But broccoli, you need to get broccoli into you if you've got prostate issues, because broccoli is what I'm now calling a super prostate food. Get the super prostate foods into your body. Broccoli's up there in probably the top 5. I'll have another one real soon. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get all these videos. Hit that little bell icon and make sure that you get all our videos. So please subscribe. Leave a comment. Any foods you want to find out about, any questions you might have. Like this video, share it with your friends. And as I say, definitely subscribe so you're part of our little tribe here. That'd be great. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.